Well, good morning, Jagendra Rana here. Why India needs sovereign AI? Why India needs sovereign AI? This is the topic of our discussion today. When India analyzes satellites images, sweeps its borders and coastlines, draws up military strategy, maps national assets, monitors its power grid, detects cyber attacks and shore up UPI payment gateways, massive tech operations that turn within servers to keep the wheels of daily life in motion. Artificial intelligence is no longer optional. With tech and geopolitical embrace tightening, models interpreting sensitive information, pointing out anomalies, managing and interpreting data and assisting decision making are increasingly controlling the synapses of the strategic nervous system. As the second largest AI market in the world, India is the toast of the global tech community, evident in the turnout at the ongoing AI Impact Summit in Delhi. But while that is a big economic opportunity for an aspiring superpower, there is a foundational question government faces in adopting AI into the administrative and security framework. How much can India rely on foreign models? So, at the core of this question is data security. Whether it's governance or national security, governments use AI for the deep analytics for which vast amounts of data, public sensitive, and for military use, strategic need to be fed into AI models. Much of the foundational AI infrastructure used globally, such as advanced chips, large language models, and hyperscale cloud systems, is concentrated in the US and China, making them disproportionately influential in the AI universe. In India, therefore, there is a growing realization about sovereign AI for national security, unless it does. India's use of AI for security, governance, and other strategic purpose will be cautious and suboptimal. So India also needs AI that is built, hosted, and computed here to preserve the strategic autonomy of its foreign policy. In a recent report, India's AI Gambit, Mumbai based think tank, a strategic foreign group, called for an urgent decision by government on whether India can regulate or control the import of AI models that may risk national security. The report also suggests exploring a mandatory national security assessment framework for models deployed from abroad. So, what are the threats? Sandeep Polskar of SFMG says because of AI, there are more asymmetric threats to national security. National Security Council should check every foreign model that is deployed in India. Military veteran Lieutenant General Satish Dua, a counter-terrorism specialist and the man behind the 2016 Uri surgical strike, tells Times of India that AI is useful for threat assessment and strategic decision making. AI tools can analyze data from multiple sensors for weather-based artillery planning and predicting adversary behavior. So doing all this manually takes a lot of time. So yes, AI tool can be useful there, but caution needs to be applied on how much to trust foreign models with sensitive data. In a paper Beyond the Kinetic, Deconstructing warfare in the socio-technical cognitive battle space, released in January. Lieutenant Colonel Pavitran Rajan, retired and former head of the Northern Command, Lieutenant General D.S. Huda, retired, argued that modern battlefields are increasingly shaped by technology and information manipulation. Technology and information manipulation. This became very apparent during Operation Sindhu last year and the subsequent military confrontation with Pakistan, after which India decided to raise its first integrated battle group, Rudra, that fits the need of modern warfare. The application of AI is revolutionizing STCB. This includes the weaponization of AI generated content, deepfake synthetic text for disinformation campaigns, the use of MLA for micro targeting population with tailored measuring, and the deployment of AI in autonomous weapon system. Thank you very much.